Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 16, 32 and 64 using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is the method through which we find the LCM of two or three numbers. In this method, we divide these numbers by prime numbers and find the factors of all these numbers. And after finding the factors, we take the product of the factors to find the LCM of the three numbers. So let's start by dividing all these numbers using prime numbers. I'm going to write first few prime numbers on the right hand side of the board so that it is easy for us in our prime factorization method. So the first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. These are the first few prime numbers which we are going to use to divide these numbers. So we'll start by using 2 as the first divisor. All these numbers are even and these are easily fully divisible by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Next 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can use 2 cause all the numbers are even and these will be fully divisible by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 4, 8, 16 all are even numbers again. So we can use 2 to divide the numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 8 is 16. Now 2, 4, 8 can also be divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. This number 16 is fully divided because we got the quotient as 1. We keep on dividing the numbers until we get the quotient as 1. So we'll use 2 to divide the other two numbers. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now we have left with 2. So 2 is divisible by 2 only. So 1, 1 and 2 times 1 is 2. So all the quotients are now 1. That means all the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM of 16, 32 and 64, we need to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32 and 32 times 2 is 64. So the LCM of the three numbers 16, 32 and 64 is 64. That means this is the least number which is fully divisible by 16, 32 and 64. So this is how, by using the prime factorization method, we can find the LCM of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.